Hi everyone, welcome to our video. In this video, I'm going to show you my recently created project, which is Quizio app. This is basically a quiz app in which we can add some quizzes and then we can also tag these quizzes as well. So for front end, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, just simple. And for back end, like adding these quizzes, I have used uh, Firebase real-time database. Okay, so I'm going to show you this project first. Like I have added total 5 questions and this is question number 1. If I refresh this page, you will see this amazing uh, animation like this loading. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to click this one. I have clicked the correct one, so my score is 1. If I choose the wrong answer like this, so my score will remain 1. Okay, I'm going to pick this one, which is wrong answer, so my score will remain 1. Now I'm going to choose correct answer, what is JavaScript, and you can see here this is changing, this question number 3 by 5. So we can also move to next question by this button. Okay, I'm going to click on this scripting language. My score is 2. Now I'm going to, and this is completely responsive. I will show you the responsiveness of the site laterally. So what is difference between, okay, I'm going to select this one. Now I am going to choose some wrong answer like dynamic object model. Okay, quiz is complete and my score is 3. Okay, now if I select this one, nothing working. Okay, so quiz is already completed. So if I click on this button, the alert will pop up and this will show the quiz has already been completed. Okay, so as I have mentioned that this is completely responsive site, so I am going to show this site to you in a responsive mode, like in a mobile view. So you can see this site is completely responsive. I'm going to refresh this site and you can see this is an interesting loader I have used on this site. Okay, I can click on this button and I can solve any of this quiz. So I have added these quizzes by Firebase database, and on this page I can add more quizzes. Like there are some questions, 1 2 3 4 5 quizzes, and if I want to add more quizzes, like I'm going to add some quizzes like there is a file in which I have added some quizzes like this one. I'm going to add one more quiz. Quiz like which quiz? This one. This is simple. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. Remove the extra things like this and this line. I'm going to add this as option. First option, add option. Okay, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to add another option, and you can see my options are adding right here. Okay, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to copy this one and again click on add option button. 3 options are added. Okay, so final option is this one. I'm going to remove this one as well. So this is my questions, these are my options. Okay, so which one is correct? There is a note. Click on the correct option to choose as a correct option. Okay, so what I'm going to see which is the correct to define metadata about the page. Okay, to define the metadata, this one is correct, to define the metadata about the page. Okay, I'm going to submit this. You can see there are 5 questions and there is also showing 5. I'm going to refresh it. Okay, 1 by 5. Okay, now I'm going to submit this question and you can see question has been added to database successfully. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. All the data is removed from this page, and if we can see, you can saw our question is right here. To define the metadata, this correct answer, and what is the purpose, these are options which I have added just now. Now I'm going to show you the question has been added, this one, and 1 by 6. Now I am going to solve it again just for fun. You can see this is my question which I have added just now. Okay, quiz completed, final score is 4. And this is responsive. And let me check this one. I think this is also responsive. So I have created this site, and let me show you the coding just quickly. You can see this is header and main section. This is my styling page, and firstly I have created this array, and then I have created by Firebase. Okay, this is another page, this is another styling page, and this is a quiz page. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this interesting video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And for visiting the site, I have added this live site link in this video description, and I'm going to perform final step in the video, like I'm deploying this site to the GitHub, git add dot. Okay, there is I think some problem, and git commit completed. I know there are some more changes required in my site, like in styling, etc. So I will complete it laterally. Okay, git push. So my coding is all the way to GitHub. I'm going to open the GitHub. I'm going to refresh it, and yes, I have deployed, or I have added all my code to GitHub, and I will also deploy it by GitHub pages. Okay, so after a few seconds I will receive the link. If I could share with you in this video, so just wait for 5 to 10 seconds and refresh this page again and again until we have received the URL of this site. Okay, I'm going to refresh it for the last time. Okay, I have received the link. I'm going to visit the site, and boom, my site is deployed on GitHub pages. And you can also visit this URL to solve these quizzes. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye.